All right, so the same way that we measure the proportions of Patrick, we want to do the same thing with Isabel, right? Last time I used my pencil to measure the ratios, or sorry, to find the ratios. This time I'm just going to use my fingers. If I want a bigger measurement, then I just have to open them wider, right? If I want a smaller one, I just have to close them a little bit closer together. I'm actually going to be using this shape here, this giant like hair puff ball. We're gonna call it puff ball. Okay, this big puff ball, and compare that to the size of everything else. Okay, so using my fingers, I'm gonna pretend like I'm pinching uh, the image. All right, so one puff ball fits into the head two times. Right, so on my paper, I'm gonna write one, two, two. Right, one being puff ball, and then two in the head. Right. Next, let's see the ear. One, two. About two as well. So one puff, two, two for the ear. Okay, and again, I like to take all of my notes right now. That way I'm not having to measure as I go. So now if I'm looking at this little piece of hair here, let's see, it's actually a little bit bigger. So I'm going to say one puff to, oops, sorry, to 0.75, and that's hair. Okay. Next, the puffball to her body. It's actually like the same size almost. Let me see, just to make sure. Yeah, so pretty much 1-to-1 on her puffball and her body. It's kind of normal for like chibi tiny characters. So the puffball to the skirt. The skirt is actually half the size of the puffball. Okay, let's see the arms. So the arms are actually shorter as well. I'm gonna say about half as well. So 1 to 0.5 there. Oh, sorry, not skirt. I should say arm and the leg. Same thing, about half. These are all like estimates, right? I'm just trying to get. I don't need to get like super accurate, just pretty close. Okay, and that's pretty much most of the measurements I need, besides the tail. But so the tail is actually half as well. Okay, and those are my measurements.